Hello everybody, Flak 1174 here. Just like to show you my homemade boat that I made, RC, remote radio controlled. I got all my old workings out of my old RC aircraft, the engines, and obviously the circuit boards, the controls and everything. And the actual body is an old playmobil jet airliner that my little boy used to have when he was younger. So, let's see what we can do. We put it all together, and this is what I come up with. So, I'll just show you inside how I'm powering it. The inside is powered by 8 AA batteries, as you can see, connected to the actual RC board that I've put tape around to try and protect it a little bit from the water when it actually goes into the water. And the aerial, little flag on top. So, let's turn the controls on, let's see what happens. Okay, it wants to go forward, left and right. It's actually turning. And right, okay. The next clip you will see will probably be me selling it on the water. So, stay tuned, and thanks for watching.